Old to new. Right, so we got the Corsa. Here it is. I'm loving it. It's beautiful. Loving it so much. So this is my brand new Vauxhall Griffin Corsa. I mean, it's a 19 plate, 30k on the clock. I mean, I'm loving it. Absolutely loving it. So yeah, this is from Vauxhall SLM in Hastings, St. Leonard's. I mean, nose is blocked, so it sounds a bit crap. But apart from that, I mean, it's absolutely brilliant. I mean, I've got white interior, like chrome stuff or whatever you call it, plastics. It's so nice. Loving it. So we know who's, you know, used this car last. I'll do it. So you've got plenty of room to get in the back. I'm like 5'10". So literally, I wouldn't say there's more headroom than my C1. It's quite spacious in the back. It's actually quite spacious. It's not like, you know, obviously it's a hatchback, but the thing is, like, it feels a little bit like wider, so it's quite nice. You know, I'm 5'10". I'm basically touching the ceiling, so, you know, anyone above 5'10", ideally, like, you're gonna struggle a little bit, you know. But apart from that, it's all right. So small people in the back, short people in the back, I mean, tall people in the front. That's basically how it's going to work. Love the blackout. It's great. Absolutely fantastic. Yeah, and then when popping the seat back, you just do that. Don't get your finger caught, and then you're good to go. Right, so I've got the car now. I'm going to pop the air freshener on. So I got one of these Yankee Candle air fresheners. It was on sale for £5. It's still a lot for an air freshener. So let's see what it is, how good it is. It's vanilla lime. Yeah, that's all right. Let's get this installed and then we'll see how it smells. Pretty sure you just hang it up like a normal air freshener. Once I'm being a proper numpty. Oh yeah, that smells really, really nice. Smells like lime. Vanilla lime. Vanilla lime. It smells like a twist, you know, like a Calippo or a twist. That smells beautiful. Right, so it's one of those. Let's just pop that on. It's a really, really wide wing mirror. How do I... Okay. Right. That looks absolutely ridiculous. Like, quite genuinely, that looks ridiculous. I'm going to leave it on because it smells nice. It's so stupid. Boing. Boing. Oh, it looks so stupid. Right, I'm going to leave it on there anyway. Right, okay. So what's next? So I'm going to install this dash cam I just pulled out of the C1. Before you do that, make sure that that's... But I need to find a new 3M tape to basically pop it under here, like behind here. Plug that in there. And then we are good to go. It's fully working, as you can tell. It's working and recording in 1080p. Yeah, so that's pretty good. Right, always keep manuals for these stuff because they don't work very well. Keep the manual. I'm guessing I'm going to have to run it in the same way I did the C1 just to do that and under there. Yeah, awesome. Right, I'll figure it out. Perfect day, a bit windy, sorry about the mic. As you can tell, it's literally pitch black, can't see nothing, which is absolutely fantastic. It's brilliant. Absolutely fantastic. I just want to show you the difference in the size of the boot. It's ridiculous. Generally. So there's my JBL speakers that I put in the parcel shelf. Sound amazing. This boot is like, that's my hand. That's how big the boot is. Let's have a look at the Corsa. This was with stuff in it, by the way. Look how bloody big the boot of the Corsa is. It's ridiculous. It's like 3-4 times bigger.
I'm going to end on a montage. I'm going to see you in the next one.